How to read books offline on Wattpad for iOS and Android device. Let's get started. Launch your Wattpad. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now navigate to any of the book that you want to read offline. First, you'll need to add that book to the library. Now click on this plus icon. Select the option of library. Click on done. Once you have added it to the library, now head over to the library section. Now, in the other story section, you're gonna find that book. Click on it. You'll get the pop-up add to offline list. Click on it. With that, the story will be added to the offline list. Now, even though you are not using data or the Wi-Fi, you are able to read that book. So this is how you can make reading list private on Wattpad. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.